Hey, I'm Sauli from Varusteleka. Halloween is coming, so let's make a jack-o'-lantern. First things first, the stem is very fragile, so don't pick up the pumpkin by it when you handle the pumpkin. Lift it like so, and don't set it upside down on the stem either. First you draw a circle. Almost perfect. And then you start cutting away. There you go. The pumpkin brains. And then you scoop them out and make it all clean. You can save the seeds for later, you can dry them. They're pretty good snacks. Okay, once you've carved out the pumpkin and also the cap, it's time to take a Sharpie and draw something funny on it, whatever you like. And then you take a knife and poke it in the eye. Then you poke it out from the inside. I'm using a knife that has a very thin blade and fairly short, so it's much easier to move it around. On the back side you can see that the knife is very thin. You can make the mouth in several pieces, so it'll be easier. I have this Phoenix camping lantern. And then I'm gonna hit the lights. You obviously don't want your pumpkin to get all moldy and rot. So you add some bleach to a bucket full of water. It's not a full cup, but you need a generous amount. A teaspoon won't do it. And you let it sit there for 24 hours. Any questions?